Here's the 2009 Mitsubishi Electric City Multi air conditioner running on a 90-degree day. This has a Mitsubishi Electric compressor. This is a 12 seer unit, and it's a 5-ton. Model number POHY P250 YHM-A. Okay, so it's a 5-ton. Yep, you can't feel the lines because the construction workers put the line cover too long, and they wrapped it too long. But here's the top of the unit. You can't see because I'm only yep. I am 10 feet away, and this is how it sounds like. This thing's so loud. Here? Oh my God, Mom, there's a dead bird there. I just asked my mom if there was, you can see the dead bird. He's dead. Yeah. Kind of rattling. Nope, not rattling. Runs great. Installed correctly. It's matched up. It controls the Mitsubishi electric thermostat. This thing stores a 800 square feet chapel. The side does the chapel, this one does the I kind of forgot. Oh yeah, the sanctuary. Kind of loud, but thanks for watching. Please learn more about this air conditioner.